Today we're tackling a dripping Moen Roman-style two-handle faucet. These faucets use cartridges inside each handle, and when a cartridge goes bad, you'll notice a drip or a small leak. In this video, I'll show you how to remove the old cartridge from the cold side, install a brand new one, and walk through some real issues you may run into, especially on older faucets like this one. Step 1. Disassembly. We're starting with the cold side, since that's the handle that's leaking. First, remove the decorative ring. It simply unscrews and doesn't serve any functional purpose. Next, unthread the handle body, and that will expose the stem and retainer nut underneath. Inside the handle extension, there's a Phillips screw that holds everything together. Before removing that screw, turn off your home's water supply. Make sure the valve is perpendicular to the pipe. This means the water is of. Step 2. Removing the cartridge. Once the screw is removed, the cartridge is held in by a retainer nut. Moen sells a special tool for this, and it's inexpensive on Amazon. Normally, you should be able to unthread this by hand or with the tool. But in my case, this faucet is 20 years old, and the mineral buildup made this nut incredibly hard to remove. I had to use channel locks and even cut through parts of the old plastic to get it out. If your retainer nut is stuck, don't panic. This is common with older Moen faucets. Once the nut is removed, pull the cartridge straight out. A basic Danko cartridge puller works on bathroom sinks and showers, but it doesn't work well on this Roman tub model. Step 3. Cleaning the valve body. Because of all the calcium buildup in my faucet, the threads were packed with debris. I used Zep Calcium Lime Rust Remover. CLR or even vinegar also works. Pour some into the opening and let it soak for 10 to 15 minutes. This makes reinstalling the retainer nut much easier and prevents cross-threading. Very important, because Moen retainer nuts are fine-threaded plastic threading into copper. Step 4. Installing the new cartridge. The Moen cartridge has a window opening that must face toward the faucet. Slide it straight into the valve body. Now reinstall the new retainer nut. Make sure it threads easily by hand. Once it's down far enough, use the Moen tool to snug it. Do not over-tighten, you'll damage the plastic. Step 5. Reassemble the handle. Install the stem extender, making sure it aligns with the shape of the cartridge. Then install the screw, which bites into the unthreaded top of the cartridge and locks the stem in place. Next, reinstall the handle adapter, the chrome collar, and finally the decorative ring. The handle is keyed, meaning it only fits one direction. Adjust it so it matches the angle of the other handle before tightening everything down. Step 6. Turn the water back on. Once everything is assembled, turn the water supply back on and test the faucet. The new Moen cartridge should eliminate your drip completely. This repair can be challenging on older faucets, but with patience, the right tools, and a bit of cleaning, you can bring your Moen Roman tub faucet back to perfect working condition. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my other DIY plumbing tutorials, including upcoming videos on Moen bathroom sink cartridges and single-handle shower repairs.